to contact Facebook support for account help. So to start, we'll just have to open our Facebook application, and then in here, once logged in, we'll have to go to our Facebook menu. To do that, we'll have to tap on this profile icon, and then under Facebook menu, we'll have to scroll all the way down and then tap on this Help Center option. After that, under Help Center, we'll also have to scroll all the way down and then tap on this Visit Business Help Center. After that, they will show you a lot of articles that can help you solve the problems or issues you have on your Facebook account. But if the articles here doesn't help you, what you can do is to tap on this Get Support option. And then after that, they will show you more articles that you can use to solve the problems on your Facebook account. As of now, the only way for us to contact Facebook support is by tapping any of these articles so we can assist and solve the problems we have on our Facebook account. So that's how easy you can contact Facebook support for account help. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!